Let's see how Mother Nature saved Europe. The story starts on 24th Feb 2022. Russia launched a military invasion of Ukraine and chain of events started to happen. Inflation skyrocketed, cost of living increased, adding woes in already battered global supply chain because of COVID-19 pandemic. And Europe's overdependence on Russian oil and gas pushed continent into possibility of historic energy crisis. This year's unusually warm winter with mild temperatures have helped to avert the crisis for now. Let's see how Mother Nature did it. First thing to discuss is the jet stream. Jet streams are strong winds and they move eastward at altitude of around 10 km. The polar jet stream is formed by the convergence of cold air from Arctic and warm air from the tropics, forming deep troughs and ridges and making it wavy. This year, this jet stream allowed warm air from Atlantic into Europe but denied entry to the cold air mass from Arctic. Another thing which played its role is the Arctic vicious cycle. Arctic is warming about 3 times faster than the global average rate because of the changing of albedo. Albedo means ability of surface to reflect sunlight. Ice melts, lakes form on the ice sheets, water absorbs more sunlight and warming happens, thus reducing temperature difference between polar region and lower latitudes, thereby inhibiting ability to descend cold air mass from the Arctic. Mother Nature truly blessed Europe this winter, as weak and wavy jet stream usually bring cold in Europe, but this year was an exception. Now the crisis is averted, but it is far from over. Mother Nature showed sympathy, but Europe was never sympathetic towards Mother Nature before, as history shows us that at the start of the 20th century, more than 90% emissions, and by 1950, more than 85% carbon emissions were produced in Europe and the United States. Situation is changing with countries like Denmark taking lead in green sustainable energy, but reliance on oil, natural gas, and aversion to nuclear energy by countries like Germany, which is moving towards options like coal, as Greta Thunberg event showed, but for irrational reasons wouldn't accept clean nuclear energy and is dismantling its already produced nuclear power plants. Mother Nature helps her good children, but stubborn attitude of Europe is making her to induce droughts and major rivers of Europe like Danube and Loa being dried up. I sincerely believe that sustainable green approach would definitely please our Mother Nature. So embrace green.